Okay, hey guys, welcome back. So many people were asking me how the fog lights which has been installed in my Dragon Scram 440, how does it perform? So right now there's a bit of darkness there, so a little bit of light is there. But if I switch off the key, everything is dark. I switch on the key, a bit of light throws. That's the DRL light. Okay, so now I'm going to show you what the power of the headlight is first. The second thing is what the power of the HJC light what I've installed, and the third one is the Mad Dog Alpha what I've installed, how the brightness will be. So let the bike go and then we'll connect. Okay, we are ready. So now I'm going to crank up the engine. So this is the stock headlight of Scram 440. Right now it's in low beam. Now if I put the high beam, you can see the difference. This is the headlight quality of the stock Scram 440. So you can see. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to dim this, and I'm going to first switch on the HJC light. I'll give you the model details, everything in the below description. So first we have three concepts in HJC. One is the yellow, one is white, and the third one is spotlight. We're going to focus the yellow. So yellow is low beam always, so you can see the kind of coverage it gives, and also you could see till there. And if I need a longer distance vision, then I can go for white. You could see the trees there in that spot there. So the coverage of white light is also really nice. Now again, if I go for yellow, yellow is low beam and white is high beam. And then we also have one more option called as a spotlight, which will give exactly the point what I want. So if I turn the handlebar, it will spot on two specific points, which will help me to navigate and see. That's how it works. Now this is HJC light. Now if I go for Mad Dog Alpha I have installed along with the dimmer switch. Now this is the switch for Mad Dog what has been given. I'll quickly turn it on and show you, and then I'll tell you the features of the switch as well. So this is the Mad Dog power. It is a complete wide angle throw which the Mad Dog gives. You could see the kind of coverage. You can see till that particular point where it is the extreme end. Now in this itself, because of the dimmer switch, this is the dimmer switch. This is the switch for switching it on, and this particular switch is actually for decreasing the brightness of the light. And also this will help us to go ahead and do a hazard kind of a light. So I'll show you how it works. So the moment this is a touch starts button, so you have to just do this touch. That's it. So I'll show you the difference. Now I'm switching this off. I'm switching on the Mad Dog, and then I'm going to reduce the light brightness. 1, 2, 3. This is the least. So true level of brightness will be there, and then I will go ahead and increase it again. So this is the full bright, dim, dim. So these are the kind of options, and you also have an option of flasher, so which will be like, it is not like that flickering flasher, but it is a very smooth flash which does not impact the eyes of the person who's coming opposite. So if I need to stop this, I have to just press this button once and then it stops. This is how it works. So now if I also switch on the HJC, how does it look? So you could see the difference of light color. So this is like a fluorescent yellow, this is white, this is like a proper yellowish, this one. So now the coverage is really high. If I turn, I have cover access here, and also I have cover access on the straight. Same way this side, if I turn, I have cover access here, and also I have the cover access here as well. So pretty good light, guys. I will vouch both HJC and Mad Dog a great thumbs up. So good job, and thank you. Hope you like the review. Bye bye.